Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste website funnels in GoHighLevel. This is a powerful feature that allows you to quickly replicate your proven funnels across multiple sub-accounts, saving you hours of rebuild time and ensuring consistency across your client accounts. First, open your web browser and navigate to your GoHighLevel login page. Enter your credentials and click Login to access your account. If you're working with multiple sub-accounts, make sure you switch to the appropriate sub-account where you want to deploy these funnels. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation menu. Here, you'll find the sub-accounts option. Click on it to view all the sub-accounts under your agency account. This is where you'll select which client account will receive the copied funnels. Now, locate the specific sub-account where you want to paste your website and funnels. On the lower right side of that sub-account card, you'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on these dots and an expanded menu will appear. From this menu, select Manage Client. This takes you into the back end of that particular client account. You'll now be on the Client Overview page. Look at the top right corner where you'll see a button labeled Action with a drop-down arrow next to it. Click on this button and an expanded menu will appear. From this menu, click on Load Snapshot. This is the key feature that allows you to import pre-built funnels and websites. A new pop-up window will appear. This is your Load Snapshot window. From the required prompt, click the drop-down arrow to choose a snapshot from your library. Once you've selected the snapshot containing your funnels, click on Proceed to move to the next step. For the second step, this is where the assets are selected. Since we only need websites and funnels, click on Skip in the top right section of your pop-up window. Once Skip is highlighted, scroll down and look specifically for funnels and websites. Click on the Select All toggle button next to it. This ensures all your funnel pages and website elements are included. Once done, click on Proceed. You'll be asked to confirm the actions once more. From here, you'll see the client account and all the resources this sub-account will receive. Review the selection carefully to ensure you're importing exactly what you need. Once you're satisfied with your choices, click on Proceed to finalize the import. The system will now begin copying all your selected funnels and websites into the sub-account. This process typically takes just a few moments depending on the size of your snapshot. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.